Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.15 trillion, down 3.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 45.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing continuous red across the board. Major bloodbath, especially in the last 7 days, and we are continuously seeing that happen in the last 24 hours as well. Major fear across the board right now, and that is not coming as a surprise to any one of us. We have been expecting that for quite some time. But today, guys, I want to focus on none other than one project that has been doing something very insane, and I want you guys to keep a very close eye on this. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, guys, I am talking about none other than Tron. My Tron family, if we are looking at the price of TRX, it is currently trading at 0.076 cents. It's up 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Tron's current market cap right now is $7.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1 billion. Wow, absolutely insane. Because if we are considering the overall market momentum right now, guys, majority, literally 99% of the market right now is in a major downward trend, major bloodbath, a lot of fear. But there's one project that is standing out, that is still in green. And as a matter of fact, the 24-hour trading volume is at $1 billion. And that's none other than Tron. So that's very impressive. Wonder what's going on, but whatever it is, this is absolutely insane. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, it's still up 10.7%. And most importantly, in just the last 1 month, it's up 13.5%. And again, coming as a surprise to every one of us because, if we are looking at the overall markets, everything is down. Everything is down. Major fear across the board, but there's Tron still, outperforming the markets. So now let's get right into the exciting stuff. The price. What is going on and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So as I have mentioned before to you guys, I made a Tron video not too long ago. And even back then, I was saying, this is coming as a surprise to me right now. And if we're looking at the price once again, it's still hovering in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And this is a very impressive. If you are a Tron holder right now, you guys are doing quite well. This might have been the best time to buy since the beginning of this year. And isn't this crazy, guys? You know what? Let's look at it from this point of view. Isn't this absolutely insane? Since the beginning of this year, we have not seen Tron revisit these prices. So that really goes to show that the price of Tron is in an upwards trajectory. And we have seen the price of Bitcoin along with other altcoins, absolutely get, torn apart. But there's Tron still hovering around these levels like, it doesn't really care what's going on within the markets. And a lot of people are making jokes that, Tron has decoupled from Bitcoin. It's no longer correlated with the price of Bitcoin. I don't know about that, but, it is very impressive to see. And a lot of people wanted me to cover Tron and really update as to where I could see the price of TRX go in the immediate short term. So right now, as you guys can see, when the price of Bitcoin, as you guys know, Bitcoin is sitting at some critical price levels. We need the price of Bitcoin to stay above this level of resistance at that $28,800 mark as soon as possible. We need the price of Bitcoin to close above there. If the price of Bitcoin is unable to close above there, guys, then in my opinion, we have officially entered the bear market. This right here was my last level of resort. If you guys are a follower on my channel, you guys know I've been saying this on a continuous basis. So if the price of Bitcoin is unable to close above there, then I do believe that we have started the bear market officially, and we could see more downward trend for the price of Bitcoin, which can mean that the entire cryptocurrency market along with altcoins will go down as well. And Tron, guys, will definitely react to the price of Bitcoin as well. Looking at the price of Tron, you can see when Bitcoin really did tumble towards the downside, you can see the price of Tron did go down to 0.0744 cents. But we held the level of support at that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So that is very, very impressive. And now comes the question, are we going to break below it? That's what everyone wants to know right now. Are we going to go lower back into this range, into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level? And most importantly, around that 0.0553 cents. And to answer that, I will give you guys my best, best educated guess. If I am bringing out the measuring tool right now for you guys, that would mean the price of Tron needs to drop about 27.8% to revisit its lows that it seen back earlier this year. And is that possible? It's definitely possible right now, because if the price of Bitcoin breaks below and revisits its 22,000 price point, which is definitely on the table right now. And a lot of analysts are saying that, and I do agree with them. If the price of Bitcoin were to fall to those levels, I could see the price of Tron definitely reacting to that drop, and we could see Tron drop back down to these levels. But if the price of Bitcoin were to close back above that $28,800 mark, I could see the price of Tron try to once again try to break out or retest this level of resistance at that 9 cents mark, which we have tried to break out of 2 times, which we did, but never managed to stay above there. So that really goes to show how important this level of resistance really is for the price of Tron. If the price breaks out of here and actually stays above here, and most importantly enters back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, then I could see Tron continue its upwards trend. And that would be very, very impressive. Obviously, that is the positive that everyone wants to see right now occur for the price of Tron. But like I said, we need those 2 factors to play out for that to really happen. But one thing I want to share with every single TRX holder right now is that if you are in profits right now, make sure you have a stop loss set. If you are still holding on a centralized exchange and you're still trying to lock in profits, have a stop loss set in place. What does that do? It's a risk measure, that reduces your risk and controls your profit and locks in your profit, most importantly. So you always want to have a stop loss in place right now, especially in this market. Obviously, we all could be very, very bullish. Oh, Tron is hitting all-time highs after all-time highs. That's not happening right now, though. We are definitely in an upwards trend, but it's still quite a ways away from its all-time highs. So just because we're in an upwards trend does not mean it can't go back down. It can definitely go down if the price of Bitcoin takes a major hit, which it definitely can. And especially what's happening with the stock market. You guys know the correlation between the stock market and Bitcoin over the past almost 2 years. Now we have seen a major correlation, and that could come into the price of Bitcoin as well, which we are seeing right now. Wonder how the markets are going to open up tomorrow. A lot of analysts are saying that the overall traditional market is going to take a hit once again. And obviously that is going to impact cryptocurrencies as well. So if you are holding Tron right now and you are in profits, guys, have stop losses set in place where you are comfortable taking profits, and if the price goes down, then you can reaccumulate. I cannot stress this enough. And if the price of Tron does break back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, great, that's what we all want, but we will see what happens. I will keep you guys covered with the latest updates for Tron. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these updates, and if you guys want me to cover every single day for Tron price updates. Let me know in the comment section. And BTC dominance, on the other hand, is absolutely skyrocketing, sitting at 48%, guys. And last time we were around these levels was back on July of last year. So a lot of money flowing back into Bitcoin should not be coming as a surprise, because there's a lot of uncertainty within the markets right now. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now, and where could you see the price of Tron go in the immediate short term. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe out there. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.